Assalamu alaikum students. In today's lesson we are going to learn about the questions of past papers, how to solve them, and the topic is the particulate nature of matter. We are going to do some of the past paper related to the topic. The topic is related to the O-level beginners, so I am going to explain the particulate nature, in which you will learn about the behavior of solid, liquid, gas particles. You also learn about evaporation, diffusion, heating curve, cooling curve, and how particles behave when different conditions are applied. So I am beginning the lesson with some of the past paper questions related to the topic. This paper is June 2013, question paper 22. If you look at the year here written 22, paper 22, and year is 13. S means summer 2013. Question says that at room temperature iodine is a solid and bromine is a liquid. Describe the difference between both the arrangement and the motion of the particles in solid and a liquid. Now this question contains 2 marks. For 2 marks you need to write arrangement and the motion of particles in solid and liquid, right? So first of all I write about the arrangement. In solids, particles are arranged regularly. And in liquids, particles are irregularly arranged. Now you secured 1 mark for this particles arrangement. Now second part says that the motion of the particles of solid and liquid, you will write in solid. In solid, particles only vibrate. Only vibrate. They do not move freely. But in liquids, they are moving you may write moving or sliding over each other. So this kind of question can come from the particles arrangement and the motion. Now I am moving on to this another question paper, which is chemistry Summers paper 2016, question paper 22. Here it is mentioned paper 22 and summer 2016. Question says that ethyl ethanoate evaporates at room temperature. What is meant by the term evaporation? We know that evaporation is the property of liquid in which they evaporate, they escape out actually when they are changing their state liquid into gas. So what I need to write for 1 mark, changing of a liquid into a gas, right? Or if you are writing changing of liquid into vapors, तो भी it's correct, right? But this continues at any temperature. The second part of the question says that a sample of ethyl ethanoate in a beaker is moved into a colder room. Explain in terms of kinetic particle theory why this result in a decrease in the rate of evaporation. We know that evaporation depends on the temperature. Higher the temperature, higher the evaporation. Lower the temperature, decrease in the rate of evaporation. But we need to explain in terms of kinetic particle theory, then what happened to the particles. And it has 2 marks. So we need to write 2 points to explain why this decrease if ethyl ethanoate beaker is moved into a colder room. So now first we need to write about the energy of the particle, what happened to the particle's energy. Now molecules move slower and don't have enough energy to overcome forces between molecules. And they are evaporating, they have to break the force of attraction between the molecules, then only they can go into the air or they can escape. Actually they don't have enough energy to overcome forces between the molecules, so that's why they cannot escape. So they escape into air with slow rate. So this is another part we have done. Now moving on to the next question paper. It was summer 2013, question paper 4.1. A student does an experiment as shown in the diagram below. Look at the diagram. There are 2 cylinders. Cylinder 1 has bromine vapor and bromine liquid. There is a disc placed in between empty gas jar and the other gas jar. The bromine liquid is converting into bromine vapor and glass disc is placed. Now the question says that what is the color of bromine vapor? It has a orange or brown vapors, right? He carefully removes the glass to disc, allow the content to mix.